Custom reporting. After navigating to your company's co-branded site, click Administrators and log into your account. Once logged in, click Reports on the left side of your screen, and you'll see three options: Usage Report, Assessment Report, and User Report. The question mark bubble next to each option provides more information on what each report entails. Usage Report is by far the most commonly used report by administrators across our system. After clicking Usage Report, you can filter this information by date range. Once your dates have been updated, choose Get Report. Once the numbers below have been updated, you'll see information based on course title, which will show course assigned reports, course started reports, and course completed reports. The numbers below each column are clickable. And once you click on a number, you'll see you have options to export this data to Excel, or you can view it on screen.